دوار البحر seasickness. وكانت هذه هي أول رحلة لي. وكانت هذه هي and this was my first trip. أول رحلة لي. فلم أكد أركب البحر حتى اعتراني دوار. I want you to pay special attention to the words in red. فلم أكد حتى. All of these together mean as soon as. Kada by itself means to almost do something, and because it comes after lam and has a weak vowel, we change the alif to a fatha. Let's put it all together now. فلم أكد أركب البحر حتى. As soon as I sailed the sea, أركب البحر حتى اعتراني دوار. اعتر is a verb that means to be afflicted by something quickly. So he was afflicted by seasickness. أفقت منه بعد قليل من زمني. أفقت is a verb that comes from أفاق, which means to wake up or to recover from. So أفقت منه, I recover from it. بعد قليل من الزمن. So after a little bit of time. ثم ألفت هواء البحر. Alifa is a verb that means to get used to or to be accustomed to. Have you ever heard the word حيوانات أليفة, which means pets? ثم ألفت, then I got used to هواء البحر, the air of the sea. بعد ذلك, after that, وعادت إلي صحتي, my health returned to me, and I got better. وظلت السفينة سائرة بنا من جزيرة إلى جزيرة. وظلت السفينة, the ship continued, سائرة بنا, going with us, من جزيرة إلى جزيرة, from island to island. ومن بلد إلى بلد, and from country to country. ونحن نبيع ونشتري في كل مكان حللنا به. ونحن نبيع, and we continued selling, ونشتري, buying, في كل مكان, in every place حللنا به. حللنا comes from the verb حل, which has many meanings, but one of them means to settle or stop at a place. That's it for chapter 2 of Sinbad. If you like my content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to read more, you can go to hindawi.org. I'll place a link in the description for the rest of the story.